I don't know why una just buy that parrot to frustrate in life.
You go just go carry Indomie brother come to up this house.
Una keep parrot for that for back of washing machine. You know they see woman knack, you know they see anything do. I don't know why. How una want me?
For how many years?
Leave am. I dey complain. Me whether I dey complain.
Complain for something.
I go complain for another thing. I'll complain for another thing.
Stand up first.
My color is not open.
Wait, make I check this.
Wetin be this?
Network no dey now. Na network now.
No, nah, but the live stream they show.
Na network, leave am. Na I dey tell you say in dey use am, in dey all the bandwidth they use, in dey go on for this guy now. You understand? So anything they do now, so they drag. You understand?
I get it.
You get it?
Now they carry your belly come off for you now. They know they show people who get belly.
Please, you might no get respect.
That pikin wey dey your belly, I don't know when you go born am.
So you will soon drop.
It may no drop on this house.
So let's
go play ball.
Now,
go. Somebody want make me beg for you.
what happen?
when I come down, I want to see music.
Hey, take time, mo no farm you, ma gba let here. That party yawe. This guy don't know person.
That person don't come.
Come, Jaffe, come.
Na me get, you know nothing, na me get this stream. I don't forget.
You know they say they fight.
Na me get this stream. Oh, play.
It's I'm not deep, another day. You know they they fight for you.
Go on.
We go beat you. We go
Now I scramble your name.
Nah, him. Imagine say now the hand go beat you now. But wait, imagine say hand meet you now. You no go play that ball again now.
I don't already see one madman.
One where?
2 seconds. This one when carry dread like person when come out from Lekki under bridge. Come here, come they show your own madness.
Why no come on time?
Which guy be that?
See the number 1 madman there now. When get bad like a Lekki express.
This guy no be person now.
I know now.
Brother with that parrot wey we just carry. That parrot will release am guy. In the mumu. That parrot the mumu will release am. Invite me o. Pass that one place.
Man don't go, gang. That thing wicked though. I don't tell you say that thing
The pin skin.
you peel your skin, they go inside. The day the thing bite finish, that your colleague wey don resign. That's why they tell me say check your hand. Leave hand like this. Carry stick, flog her inside the cage.
And the thing, if you bring hand, you go follow the hand.
He go, that thing that thing chop you for hand, your hand don't go inside. When the people they tell me say check your hand.
Well, my question for 2 of una. Now why una dey carry on a hand go close to parrot?
Parrot is a pet.
You want hold on, it's a pet, but this one is a mad dog.
It's a wild animal.
It's a wild animal.
How parrot take turn pet?
No, parrot na pet. Na pet.
Who, how, where, when, how?
Just the way we cat take the pet.
Cat dey different.
But cat go still bite you.
Cat dey different. Okay? Cat no go bite you, no go scratch you.
E go scratch you.
Cat dey different. Parrot wey suppose to dey learn wetin you dey talk. This one na only dance him dey dance like.
Nah, go.
This one na you know say this guy na drunkard. He no go give am ogogoro.
And you go know give my owner like parrot.
God bless you.
Maybe you know.
God bless you for that talk.
You understand next week you go.
Make him like me no come carry. You know wetin go happen before you go carry am. Abeg tell me. Make I give am better chance. Make him drink.
Me down the sweeper.
Make him go that guy house go punish am. For this rubbish when this parrot do me today.
Let's see you.
This madman come to be guy and let the parrot come outside.
The guy.
Parrot come dey mezebu.
You know why the guy buy the parrot wey no dey talk. Imagine say woman come finish now. Then another girl come. The parrot come go talk am. The woman just left here now.
Now why go wound you like that?
I die here. Na normal window. That one wound you.
I don't see that play where they play that other day. Say, I don't know say you go wound one day. I see say you go get me.
Pastor, go move your for you.
Legend of the fear. Legend of the fear.
Man trates.
Na Sicilia is like this.
Man trates. I be me o.
I don't even know say they come. I tell you me buy a shop for me.
I never even shop say. I just spoil my mood today.
Who spoil your mood? What happened?
Now why you want to put the person neck for me?
I said blow one guy yesterday for there.
Why?
They fight for them.
About 2 guys and them blow yesterday. One they go One dey go, you know say those two guys be like say they dey somehow close, like family stuff, you understand? So whenever person challenge them, challenge one go dey like, why you go dey talk to my brother? So na wetin happen, he come go involve himself, dey ask the guy and say, why you go dey do my brother like this? Well, you know na person wey just come from outside, you just sit down, just come blow am for face.
But wetin go happen?
They go fight.
Dem go fight na. You know see the one wey be say dem carry block take tear their head.
You know say that place. Now that place I won this thing. This two things wey you say.
Omo, dem no dey carry their were near me.
Anybody wey dey are strong. If you don't strong, that place.
Even I go threaten you. Make you know say no come here. This one dey craze.
Iron people dey there.
Iron people o. Me I no get strength for them. If I see say e don too much, I go carry my leg dey come my house.
But I say you be fighter now.
Oh,
Why you record yourself dey come out?
I no like fighting. Things are like
Why you go talk say you no like fight?
fight.
If you no like fight, wetin you come like?
I be peaceful person. You know me, no peace. No peace.
Omo, that no dey again o. I no understand this rap battle o. I no understand this rap. Make I lis ten this last one. Make I lis ten this last one.
This is like be a guy, don't be 44,100, make you hold the guy. Then maybe you go balance down with 6'9". Natural position when you bend over to kick smile. Stepping out the line, they call this master of 15 more. Call me lyrical, look your mouth, so let me teach you up. Let me teach you up. Teach you how to pick the issue up. Smelling like a pig, got me thinking if I shit you up. I came from the gutter, but it's not like it. I was telling you the truth, and you may not like it. This is not a rap this, now tutorial how to play night. You back, you spray, for night, you back, you spray, never money, you back, you do it all over again. You see the smell of your mind, you go see say you be lyrical and cool, but in real sense, you just be historical and cool. Your order not chuku, my aura be like cuckoo. Somebody give me the fire and the force and watch me cuckoo. Drop it in the chat, when I rap, I just kill. You will be upcoming kata efe. I showed you start off this nonsense when you dey call rap and start to post. You see the battle carry over, I'm here be the change keys. Pull up in the fence, pull up with my friends. I can hear you from over the fence, shit up in my ends. Getting angry, but let me just turn it down a notch. I have to come online and give this animal enough wave.
Money, I don't stand, don't come out.
Who be that?
Man City, Simoni ability that they come.
Mayor.
I go fight for my captain.
Make I check my team. Make I check my team.
Nobody's triple captain.
Make I check wetin dey happen for my team.
He go give me point now. Take captain score, you know me. See this guy.
You don't have any points this Mayor go give me. I'm my captain and I used to be captain. I could still give him an doubt to do what they better do.
I never do all this stuff there. I never see performances there.
Yeah, my this in my fantasy. Make I see my. Well, Jesus Christ. Jesus.
You know, only
You get 12 points. You got
Jesus. You want get 20 something.
I just 20 I've been this that time. I don't know if you don't pass 20.
Haaland 0. Hey, you don't go get yellow card. Oh no.
Alan.
Yeah.
menu.
You don't go get yellow card for him to get 0.
No be Samuel of your captain. Are you happy?
This guy dey play well for
You get 11
everything.
points. This guy
Minutes
is one
played.
point pass you.
Wait. Minutes play. What happened? That means they didn't put Haaland today. Me they no put them. Make my captain go to Rice. I don't even know what that Rice will beat my club. I don't mess up. I give this captain to him.
You cry time.
Ah, you kill me.
You know.
People say that USD day now. Maybe inside corner for the inside now. Eh? 20 points.
I know supposed to be. Not much. Just 20.
You can see.
Just 20 I get. I don't have more. Just these two. Put them
Now your captain and the cost of these things now.
Put them
That
even
point. That this one wouldn't give you. Not 18.
Put the no even there, bro.
No, they go back. No, Semenyo don't give you those points.
Mm-hmm. It's me, my guy.
Triple captain, I mean.
Yes, now.
Now why now? 6.
I don't come play with you now.
Okay. Let me say now one kind mad score you get.
How come your own come be 12 points? You don't use bench boost.
You don't use any bench boost.
Then how you take get 12? Don't be 6, 7, 8 is supposed to be. How you can they see 12? Yes.
This is 6.
Yes, 7.
7.
8.
11.
Okay, Mukele.
The match don't finish.
Sunderland game, abi.
That means the goalkeeper get only 1 point. God, I make mistake.
They even win Sunderland, sef.
I put Pickford.
They win Sunderland.
They win them now. Ah! I thought Sunderland would win this match. That's why I put that keeper. I wanted to put what's his name? Pickford. Oh God, I don't like this now.
So when you get another goal, we go to score for me.
Hmm?
Don't worry.
Rolling, yo, what it do? Doubles in the charts, W's in the chat, bro. What it do, man?
No, bring your own map. W put in the chat.
Yeah, this is annoying. I swear to God, I don't know why my team is behaving like this. Why can't I win? Rolling, what's up? Rolling, what's up?
Hey, go play ball again, guy.
I'm gonna go play on a ball.
They talk to that.
Blow person eye come out. Blow the eye.
Obi,
Yeah,
I see the reason that stuff. Paramo will go the mall to go get that USB today. When that mall is closed, by what time we enter that mall?
we don't from where we from time have this.
Obi, what do they talk about? Whether make a change this into IRL, no, we enter that test time. So that as we do like this now, three of us supposed to inside call them now.
Oh, yeah, I'm so down on people. Alright.
Not coming in, guy.
Yeah.
Don't leave you.
That bad time.
Why your game?
If I go there now, girls now with you.
Now your normal data you use, Abi.
Why now?
You just use your normal data. The Wi-Fi is already giving.
What's not explain to you? Okay, Wi-Fi.
The Wi-Fi is already going to the stream, so that. You drop.
I tell this man. I don't explain to him. You know that. I say make a show.
Okay, you want me on for you?
No, I want to use they say make a enter. Then
Yes, I'm gonna play together. Why you go play alone? Mainly watch you.
you need to watch me. You know, like playing them.
Now this thing when you talk. Now this thing when you talk, let me make a do 1v1 with Gospel. And Gospel winner with iPhone 7.
Oh yeah, man. Move on.
I beg you, do be call, then I tell you.
Disgrace.
In them, you go use verse now. Finish me. After one. Now they wait for you. Oh yeah, now let's go. Say that.
Disgrace.
You want that?
I made them that 1v1, sir.
1v1 MP now.
What's
Multiplayer.
Then how?
Don't show me.
Now go enter private lobby.
Don't show
Like
me.
only me and I'm going to do the dog.
Yes.
Nobody again.
Nobody. Only take him versus you.
Don't show me.
Sit up finally work. Connect to your MTN.
That must be.
Connect to your MTN.
Now just open and open.
Don't show me.
You should not see my 6 packs. No. Don't do that. My 6 packs is precious.
Yeah, the girl.
Only girl.
Get the girl.
And I know that you is watching it, you are a man.
Get the girl with you.
Yes.
Get the girl.
Guy, call bandits now. Guy, I'm gonna call bandits here now.
No
Do club. No buy NC and all those kind. See guys, keep following this account. We will host party here.
So all you just need to do now to invite them. You get them as your friend.
No.
Give away. Ghana give away.
This guy.
My phone when they use monitor my this thing.
Oh yeah, Alpha. Oh yeah. Don't die.
See me, you don't get that language. We Ghana.
Who be Ghana?
That's what they like. We Ghana. Don't worry, we Ghana. You don't know the person.
I don't know who we Ghana be.
No, nah, person where they like use that slang. We Ghana.
Who be the person? I don't know now.
You know,
Zubi, okay.
Never cook Ghana before.
These two people, they like when they say they drag. If you get this house, you won't carry things.